Michaela. I'm just looking at your ad here. It looks pretty good. It's kind of full. This is the only thing that I was noticing. I'm just going to give you a little design feedback. I don't mind these shapes, but it seems like a really full design. I think maybe, also there's a lot of redundancies. There's a lot of Amazon. So there's Amazon here, here, and here. So maybe just removing this from the corner altogether, keeping this, and maybe making it, actually just deleting that too would work. So this and this, because you don't really need either one of those. And then this Amazon logo is cut off a little bit too, so if you could center that a little bit better, that would have helped. And then, yeah, these things just don't need to be there because there'd be less, I don't see a need for those, and there would be more space in your ad. And then just the Shop Now button, I mean, you could make that maybe this kind of yellowy color so that it stands out a little bit better. The fact that it's white on white makes it look almost not like a button. And if it was this color with black over the top, or the blue even over the top, that might work okay. But yeah, it's just a little busy, and a lot of the word Amazon in it, which are necessary. So just kind of cleaning it up a little bit would have helped. And I do think maybe you did try to link this, because I get a little hand when I click on it, but it doesn't actually take me to the Amazon website. So anyway, I think I'm going to have to dock off for maybe it not linking unless there's an issue with the software. And if there is, just let me know. Okay, I'll talk to you later.